In this video, I'm going to be replacing the dead battery in this key fob for this 2003 GMC Sierra and reprogram it. As you can see, this key fob does not work. Take my little screwdriver here, pry this thing open. There's a little tab right here. Okay, and it's one of those big flat batteries. I'm going to take this little pin. Oops, pry that battery out. Alright, got my replacement battery. Slide that down in there. Pop the case back on. Alright, let's give it a try. Well, I was hoping a new battery would fix this, but it's not working, so we're going to have to reprogram this key fob. Alright, now we're ready to recalibrate our key fob. I want to make sure that all the doors are shut tight. Put the key in the ignition. And on the driver's side door, we're going to press and hold down the unlock button. So I'm going to do that, and while I'm holding that down, I'm going to turn the key on, off, on, off, on, off. The door should unlock and lock. That lets you know that you're in the program mode. So here we go. I'm going to press the unlock button, hold it down, turn the key. Okay. I'm going to let go of that. I'm going to hold the lock and unlock buttons simultaneously on my key fob. I'm going to hold that for about 15 seconds. Okay, the door's just locked and unlocked. Okay, I'm going to turn the key to the on position. That gets us out of the program mode. Pull the key out, and we're going to test the buttons. Okay. Alright, they're all working. Alright, I'm going to step back about 20 feet and try it again. Okay, that works. I'm going to step back about another 20 feet. Try it again. Okay, it's working. Okay, if it didn't work from this sort of distance, possibly you might need to recalibrate it, or you might have a weak battery or a dead battery. So that's how you reprogram a pre-2007 GM vehicle key fob.